know why, but I really enjoy working with egg cartons. And I found a piece of balsa wood I had lying around, and I thought, I'm going to make a fireplace. So I just went ahead freehand and I just cut it out. It's not perfect. It's the sides, the top, and you can just use, actually this balsa wood's thin, you can use scissors or a razor blade. That's why I like working with it. And I went ahead and I glued it together, and I used wood glue, used some painter's tape, taped it together, and left it overnight. And then I took the egg carton and I just cut random pieces out in different little shapes. No measuring required, just go ahead and cut them. And then I started fitting them together like a little puzzle, just putting them all on there. And I left a little spot where I could put the mantle, and I just kept going. I did the sides and the top. And here's just showing that, that I just kept going, and they don't need to be close together. They can be further apart, just however they kind of fit together, because it's going to get painted. Doesn't look like much right now. And you can see that it was painted, and I did it with like a dark gray and white, and I used paper towel and paintbrushes. I went outside and I got some little twigs and I painted them white, made them look like birch because I thought that that was a pretty color, and then I just made a little flame. These are little erasers that I found at the Dollar Tree, and the faces were already on them, so I took brushes, thin brushes, and toothpicks, and I just painted them. And these are they're just delightful. They just make you smile. So cute. And here's my finished fireplace. You can see how it came out. It looks like stone, but it's egg carton. And I usually make walkways with them, but for some reason I felt like doing this. Let's get some Christmas magic going on this fireplace. And there it is, all blinged out and ready for Christmas. It's just so pretty. It's just Christmas.